Okay, so this is a little close, but it's the safest position for it. All right, so that's good and tight. That ain't going anywhere. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so one more of the upper vents are up there. Best spot is to go in from the neighbor's yard, so let's get at it. Okay. Okay. That's a good seal on the sides. I'm happy with that. That's the end of that one. We got 3 more. All right, so on our way up. Okay. Final cover. And that is a very good seal. That's good. Alrighty, so what we're doing here is a mouse exclusion. This customer has mice, so we've put out a couple bait stations, covered a couple wall vents, but right now we're just sealing this up. So we're going to continue on. I've already kind of cut this piece to fit, but we still have to go to the other side of the fence. Get this off right at the end here. Okay, so we got our piece cut, and like you can see, we're just running it along the edge here. We're going to get it all tapped in and then fill in our corners. Okay, so now we're all tapped in all the way across. We're just going to beat in our corners now and then move all the stuff back. Okay, so here we are, all done. That bottom there is all excluded. Bottom out here is all excluded. We're just going to move all our stuff back in here and call it a day.